Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Database connection pooling is a crucial optimization technique when working with databases in Python. It helps manage and reuse database connections efficiently, reducing the overhead of establishing new connections for each database interaction. In this tutorial, we will explore the best solution for database connection pooling in Python using the scikit-page2 library as an example for PostgreSQL databases. Before we begin, make sure you have the following installed. You can install scikit-page2 using pip. Database connection pooling involves creating a pool of database connections that can be reused by multiple clients. Instead of opening a new database connection every time you need to interact with the database, you borrow an existing connection from the pool, use it, and return it when you're done. This significantly reduces the overhead of creating and tearing down connections. There are several libraries available for database connection pooling in Python, including. For this tutorial, we'll use the built-in connection pool provided by scikit-page2, which is a popular choice for PostgreSQL databases. Let's create a simple Python script to demonstrate how to set up a database connection pool using scikit-page2. In this code, database connection pooling is essential for optimizing database access in Python applications, especially when dealing with a high number of concurrent users or requests. In this tutorial, we demonstrated how to create a database connection pool using scikit-page2. You can adapt this approach to other databases and connection pool libraries as needed. Remember to handle exceptions, properly configure your database, and secure your credentials when working with real-world applications. Additionally, consider using a framework like Flask or Django for building web applications that provide more structure and features for working with databases. ChatGPT.